Hi guys, short video here about this case for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's a clear case with MagSafe support, supposed to be soft. That's the thing here. There's no real brand to see, but let's open, see what we get. The idea is to replace this one here. This is also a transparent case, but it's black. I mean, it's beautiful. I really liked it. Has strong magnet. Also, the buttons are working really good. Opening, everything is good. But there's a big problem with this case that it's too hard for my taste. So here I have the old one. Here I have the new one. You can see they are similar. So let's see if there's a difference when we touch here. Yeah, there's not much difference to here. How is it regarding softness? I think this is a little bit more soft, but there's not a huge difference. Cutouts look very similar. Here one of the big advantages was that it was super easy to press. Let's see how it is. Maybe this could be a little bit harder. The opening here, unfortunately, are just small holes. I loved this with the larger holes, so I could attach the hand strap here. That's not possible. I think these are actually protection bumpers here inside, which we did not have here. Okay, that's definitely an advantage here with these bumpers here inside. A little bit of cushion. You also have this protection here that it's holding nicely, not falling out. I think that's a pretty cool idea. We just have it in the corners, not everywhere. What's nice that we have this protection here inside. I just have to find the start without scratching it. Yeah, here we go. Okay, a little bit hard to remove everything. Do I have everything now? Maybe there's also one in the middle. Yeah, there's also one in the center here. And maybe even one on top, because there it looks like there is something wrinkled. But let's put it inside. Push it down. I would say it's a little bit tight. Definitely more tight than the black one. But it's inside now. And when I touch here, yeah, it's actually not the same anymore. With this one here, yeah, this is definitely more soft, but we have not black here anymore. That I loved this black, but let's remove also the protection here on top to see how it looks after removing that. Black looked even a little bit nicer, but also here it's really beautiful. I love it. I think especially from the side this looks actually nicer. Let's try with a large USB-C plug. That's good. We have a large opening here. That's important that we can use pretty much all the cables. Let's see if we can remove the pen here. Definitely no problem. And let's see if you have to press really hard here to start it. Yeah, it was not too difficult, maybe a little bit harder than with this one, the black one, but it's not too crazy. What's very important to know is that there's not a lot of extra space around the camera. So if you're planning to buy camera lens protectors, that could be a little bit too tight. Actually not could be, I would say this is too tight, but I've bought already camera lens protectors and yeah, I actually do not recommend them even though they were H9 glass. They compromised quite the camera quality, so this is not something which I recommend. Let's put it straight down, see how much it's wobbling. Yeah, definitely less than here. Here it was quite wobbly, definitely unstable. This is more stable, almost not moving here. How is it like to make a screenshot or so? Yeah, button here to turn on and off is pretty easy. I had one which was harder to press. And then as a last has the MagSafe compatibility. Let's put it here. Yeah, we definitely have a good hold for the magnetic power bank, but how is it regarding holding the phone? Okay, I'm just holding a power bank and it easily holds the phone. So also no problem with that. Regarding attaching hand strap, we have two openings here. You can see I've already attached it. And the positive thing compared to this one is that it's further down. Here it's too far up, so that would make the hand strap too short. For example, if you want to use it to secure your phone for photography or video recording, for example, if you do that on a high tower bridge or in another location where you could lose it. So here it works perfectly, as you can see. Here that never worked. Here I had to attach it down here, but of course it was possible because we have these large openings. But here we can use the dedicated holes. So pretty cool. Also the opening here a little bit smaller, but still enough. So when we grab it like that, it's not too difficult to remove it again, you can see. Also positive upgrade with this case here is that I can grab it more safely than with this one. Here on the side it was also pretty hard, so it was a little bit slippery. So this one here absolutely not. It has a really awesome grip. And of course we also want to know if the side menu is still working. Yeah, absolutely no problem. I would say from the top and from the bottom it's a little bit higher here, so there's also more protection, but definitely no problem to get used to that. Yeah, maybe not exactly as stylish as this one, but quite some advantages, actually exactly what I wanted. So full recommendation for this case. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.